careers, you need the convincing power. That is really important. So in convincing power, all you have to do is just be confident what you guys are doing. You're doing the exact same things that many people are doing. But you have to pick that one point. You guys can search it out, what the carrier needs, what the dispatchers, where the dispatchers, many dispatchers are lagging. Pick those points, work on them, and make the calls. For example, I reach a carrier, tell them about my services, what the guys are, like many dispatchers are doing the same shit. But catch the peak point. What's the peak point was? The peak point was that I was ensured that I will schedule the whole week load. If we are in that state, so I will work as a personal dispatcher. I will, give them support the 24/7 and all that. So don't scare about the cold calling. It's really important. If you are going to work the text messaging, because all we know we are in Pakistan, and if we use the third-party dialers, they all knows what we guys are doing. They are all familiar with that. So if you guys are doing the cold texting, it's on a spam alert. It's doing a spam alert, and unfortunately, that many dialers are stopped by doing this shit. Many people's. So keep focusing, keep doing hard. One sentence says, like I said, my unmatched perspicacity coupled with sheer infatigability makes me fear opponent in any realism of human endeavor. If your ability to, you have to become fatigued. If your ability to become fatigued, if you never give up, you never get it. You get exactly what you want. All you have to do is not be a fucking punk. Okay? So keep struggling, keep trying hard. This is the only way that you can guys success. For example, in my career, I started the cold call. I'm just doing the cold callings. Not all the night, but mostly I'm doing the cold callings whenever I'm free from the dispatching. I make the cold callings because it's really important in this industry, because this is the only way that I can hunt clients. So I know. So I wish you guys could know about the cold calling. So this is not that much, if you guys thinking that we don't have the good match accents, we don't have any fluent in English. So basically, you don't have to try this. If you don't have to try this, you never be fluent in English. So all you have to do is just be a try, just be a single step. You just move for single steps, and you get exactly what you want. There's not that much hard kind of things that you guys are scared about, the cold callings and everything. So convincing power is a great thing if you guys have. If not, then build it up, because you have to learn about these things if you are in the industry, if you are in this telemarketing industry. So you have to learn about these things. These are pretty simple things, and all you guys are here to do in a business, because it's remotely. This is not a physical